Hello, today we will guide you through how to get Semrush Premium for free easily. In this walkthrough, we'll go over how to access Semrush and start its free trial offer in a simple, clear way. This process is fairly quick, but it helps to move carefully so you understand what you're selecting on each screen and avoid missing any important details. To begin, open the Semrush page as shown in the tutorial. Once the site loads, you should be on a page related to Semrush tools and data management. Give the page a moment to fully load so all navigation options appear properly. If the layout looks slightly different on your screen, that's normal, since websites can update their design over time. Next, look to the left side navigation menu and click on the SEO section. This area is where Semrush groups many of its search engine optimization tools. Selecting SEO will take you into the part of the platform where the trial option shown in this tutorial becomes available. If you're using a smaller screen or mobile device, the navigation may be tucked inside a menu icon, so you may need to expand it first. After that, direct your attention to the top right area of the page and click Start Free Trial. This is the main action that begins the sign-up process. Make sure you're clicking the free trial option and not another upgrade or pricing button, since some pages may display multiple calls to action. You'll then be taken to a subscription or checkout screen where you're asked to enter your payment details in order to activate the free 7-day trial. At this stage, read the information on the page carefully so you understand the terms of the trial, including when billing may begin if the trial is not canceled in time. It's always a good idea to review the renewal terms before submitting anything. Once your details are entered, click Try It Now. After that, continue by following the on-screen procedure exactly as it appears. This may include confirming your information, creating or completing your account setup, and agreeing to the platform's terms. Just take it one screen at a time and verify each field before moving forward. When you're done, you should have access to the Semrush trial period and be ready to explore its premium features. As a final tip, consider setting yourself a reminder for the trial end date if you only want temporary access. That way you can make a decision before any paid subscription begins. And that's it for this guide. For